Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork blood solid. Begin by collecting fresh pork blood and straining it through a fine sieve to remove clots. Keep everything chilled and work quickly to prevent early coagulation. Use salt and acidic balance to control texture and decide whether to set with heat or a firming agent like coagulating salt. I'll guide you step by step with safe handling tips and simple checks. Start with chilled, filtered blood and decide between thermal setting or natural coagulation paths. For thermal setting, heat gently to 75-80 degrees C while stirring to avoid curdling. For natural coagulation, add 1-2% salt and a touch of acid, then pour into molds and let rest refrigerated until firm. I will explain timing, texture tests, and how small adjustments change firmness, so you can match your desired consistency reliably every time always. Always handle raw blood with gloves, cold storage, and sanitized tools to minimize contamination risk. After setting, cook or pasteurize the blood block when using in hot dishes to ensure safety. Label and refrigerate at 4 degrees C or colder, eat within 3 days, or freeze for longer storage. I will share quick texture checks, reheating tips, and how to salvage a too soft set so you can use pork blood safely and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.